Hey guys, this is Sangeeta and welcome to my channel Daydreamer. Today I'm going to show you again a Cloud Factory haul, and this time this is for the sunglasses. So without any further discussion, let's dig into these products. Okay, so the packaging of this Cloud Factory thing, I got it like this way, though I have already received like a normal plastic courier packaging. That was a normal Ziploc plastic packaging, nothing fancy. And here I ordered some 6 pair of sunglasses for myself. So let's get started. The first one which I got from their place is one of my favorite one, as I already opened up this pouch, like packaging. As you can see, it come up with like a normal, pretty simple and conventional Cloud Factory yellow envelope packaging with a bubble pack inside, and this is the product. It come up with a like airtight plastic packing. Let me open it. This is called the Personality Butterfly Big Sunglasses in the shade of brown in 209 rupees approx. As you can see, this product is a big cat eye sort of a thing, and if I wear it, like it's something will give you the retro, though it is called brown in color, but I think this is a pretty leopard print below over here, and this is a big dramatic cat eye which I am liking, and this is one of my favorite one. And this is a pretty, as you guys can see, this is a plastic one. There are only one size is available. I don't know what is the size, whether it's a medium, large or small one, but they are selling just a one single size. And yes, I'm liking it. And this is, they are asking this, they are claiming this is a UV protected, but I'm not pretty sure in the price of this thing whether it's a UV protected or not. Let's move into the another one. The another one is again is a very simple, like a yellow envelope packaging. All sunglasses actually came up with a yellow envelope packaging with a bubble pack inside. So if this is a pretty black, but a decent one, as you guys can see. If I wear it like a bossy, like, it's called the Vignette Casual Outdoor Sunglasses in the color of black. I got 177 rupees approx, and this is the white, draw line over here, but the material is pretty cheap. The previous one was better than this product. This material was pretty cheap, but yeah, I can see the color is coming out from the black color is coming out from that place. But yeah, it's okay at the range of 177 rupees. What you can expect more? You can, if you are going for some fancy party, like somewhere, some sea beach, or your product might going to hamper or scratch or might get loose. So for any insecure place you can use it. So this is in 177 rupees I got. The third one is a round frame right name sunglasses retro cat eye and the shade of brown in 180 rupees. This is something similar, like a leopard print or tortoise print, I don't know. Yeah, this is pretty cool, and it's very light weighted. Every product of Cloud Factory is very light weighted. It doesn't feel like that you are wearing something. As you can see that it's very much fashionable. No one can say that this is something which 180 rupees sunglass. It's thumbs up from my end. Even the first one is a big thumbs up from my end. Let's move on to the fourth one. The fourth one I got is a rimless, oversized, clear lens big sunglasses in the shade of transparent. In 384 rupees I got. So if I show you the thing, where is this? Okay, this is the most expensive sunglass I ordered from Cloud Factory yet. It's a 384 rupees. Whoa! It come up with like a like a bit fancy packaging, and it is awesome. I wear it for one of my like a day out, and everyone praised me a lot, and it actually suits on my face as well, though it's a little bit of a vintage or some like a retro look it is giving, but I'm liking it. It's very much in trend right away. Today's it's a very much in trend. It's actually a day and night one. You can see it is a completely transparent. Okay, but the material is a good one and very lightweighted. You don't feel like that you are wearing anything. You're absolutely you can rock. So let's move into the fifth one. It is new eyewear retro vintage shade fashion oversized designer sunglasses in the leopard print. I got it 167 rupees. Let me show you. It has also come up with a yellow envelope with a bubble pack inside. Oh my god, this is a showstopper. In this price, 167 rupees. This is a steal, man. This is a steal. Just look at this gorgeous baby. Oh my god, it is something. This sunglasses is something. It's going to give you the like a quick fix kick. Just put your sunglasses on and you are ready to rock and roll. Yes. I'm getting too dramatic. Nothing like that, but I just like this shape, this butterfly one. Yeah, this is the shape in the shape of butterfly, and this is the shade of leopard print, in the shade of leopard print or brownish leopard print. This is the one single size they are selling. I don't know whether it's a large, medium, or any small or something like that, but this is which I like. It's absolutely fitting. I don't know whether it fits me or not, but yeah, I think I'm pretty okay. You can see. I can pose for you guys. Okay. Okay, let's move into the final one. And this is a retro triangle cat eye sunglass in the shade of white, and I got it for 175 rupees. Yes. Let me show you. Just look at this. Oh my god. This is something. I can act a play, like act a role for Catwoman. Just look at this. It will immediately give you, like a pinch of, happiness, a pinch of your glamour, with the icing of your confidence. This is awesome. See, it actually a steal, man. It's a very good deal. In 160, 175. People, a lot of you guys are very, very, like a fashionable, who are actually love to click some outfit of the day. If you want to click some pictures in your Instagram or Facebook, and you want to just drag the spotlight, just immediately just put your sunglasses on and you will be the talk of the town. That's it. Today's video is that much for that. If you guys love this video, so please like, subscribe and comment in the section below. I'll try to make a lot of fun videos for you guys. So till then, take care. Bye bye.